Have you ever been left wondering if your payment on the Tide app has gone through? It can be a frustrating experience, especially when you need the funds urgently. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of verifying your payments on the Tide app. Imagine you've just made a significant payment on the Tide app, and you're anxiously waiting for the funds to reflect in your account. You check your balance, but it's still empty. What do? How can you be sure that your payment has been processed correctly? Before we dive into the verification process, let's quickly understand why it's important. Verifying your payments helps ensure that your transactions are accurate, secure, and that you receive the correct amount of funds. It also helps prevent potential disputes or misunderstandings. Step 1. Check your transaction history. The first step in verifying your payment is to check your transaction history. This is a simple process that can be done directly from the Tide app. Here's how to do it. Open the Tide app on your smartphone. Tap on the Transactions tab. Look for the recent payment you made. Check the status of the transaction. It should indicate whether the payment is pending, processing, or completed. Step 2. Review the payment details. Once you've found the transaction, take a closer look at the details. Verify the following information. Amount. Ensure that the payment amount is correct. Recipient. Double-check the recipient's details to make sure they match the intended recipient. Date. Confirm the date of the transaction. Payment method. Verify that the payment method used is correct. Step 3. Contact Tide customer support. If you're still unsure about the status of your payment after reviewing the transaction details, don't hesitate to contact Tide customer support. They can provide you with more information and assistance. Here's how to contact Tide customer support. Open the Tide app. Look for the Help or Contact Us section. Choose the most suitable method for contacting customer support, such as live chat, email, or phone. Provide the necessary details about your payment, including the transaction ID and date. Here are some additional tips to help you verify your payments on the Tide app. Save transaction receipts. Keep a record of your transaction receipts for future reference. Check your email. Sometimes, Tide may send email notifications about the status of your payments. Be patient. Payments can take some time to process, especially during peak hours. Verifying your payments on the Tide app is a straightforward process that can help you ensure the accuracy and security of your transactions. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily check the status of your payments and resolve any issues that may arise. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.